again. No, it ain't a drill. We're getting snow. You gotta go to the Walmarts, get you some bread, milk, Spam, the stuff to make chicken and dumplings. They better have biscuits. Okay, bye. Are you still at the Walmarts? It's going down. Etowah's closed, Fort Payne's closed, all the schools are closed, and we're getting flurries. Hey, this ain't a drill. You better get home for the road's ice over. Pick me up a new cell phone cover while you're there. 6 inches. We're having a blizzard. They even canceled Sunday service, Mama. Pastor Todd don't cancel for nothing. You remember that one time he had stomach bug and he puked while he was preaching? Can I get an amen? We really should tell the whole family to come over, get dressed up, and take a Christmas card photo while the snow's here.